how to play multiplayer in Minecraft Bedrock. So first, just make sure that you and your friend are both signed in on your Microsoft account. And once that's done, just simply click on play, then go to friends right here. So if you're not signed in yet, there will be an option right here that it says that you're not currently signed in. But if you're signed in, this will pop up. So the joinable realms and joinable friends. So if you don't have any friend list or friends on your list, just simply click on add friend and simply put their gamer tag right there. So if you want to share your gamer tag, as you can see, there's like a QR right here. You could also copy your gamer tag. Your friend can also see their gamer tag right here, so they could send it to you. But once that's done, if your friend wants to start the world, just simply need to go to the worlds right here. Then just simply click on the world that you want. So it could be an existing world or a new world. But if you want it to be an existing world, just simply click on the edit icon right here. And just simply go to multiplayer here on the left side and make sure that multiplayer game is turned on. And this is set to visible. And for here, you could set it to invite only, friends only, or friends of friends. It's up to you what you want. So I'm just going to set it to friends. You could also do this into a new world. So just simply click on create new. And just simply click on near the top, create new world. Now once you're here, just go to multiplayer and make sure that this is set to friends and default player permissions. You set to operator, member, or visitor. And just make sure that multiplayer game at the top is turned on. You could also set it to friendly fire if you want, or you could damage, or the players can damage each other. So it would basically attack every other player there on the world if you turn this on. And once that's all set, you just simply need to start up the world and just join up on your friend right here if it shows up and their world is ready. And that's how I basically play multiplayer in Minecraft Bedrock.